Okay, so so in terms of the next steps for uploading, is the uploading of data, I'll hand over to, and maybe would it be okay to get some questions or any comments from the team if they have anything to make? If not, we can just
the final touch to the low part percent of finance.
So Zeta would go through the final part in how to save the data from the phone
Yes.
on the tablets to the server.
Yeah.
But we know that some of you have also uploaded some in the feed. Yeah.
Okay. Mahirap
Recording in progress.
Okay. So we have done correcting of the data. It was filling the blank form. So I'm sure everybody has corrected the attribute that has been listed on the form. So the next step is, if you want to take a look at the overview of the data that you collected in the field, what you're going to do is, there are 3 icons on the top. I want you to press the arrow icon. So I just want to confirm if everybody is able to see the overview of the data that you collected in the field. Yes? So if you are satisfied with the data that you collected and there is no changes in the data, so we are just going to go ahead and select go to end, which is right at the bottom. Okay, so now we have to discuss where we are going to save the forms. So once you are satisfied with the data that has been collected within the template, there is an option to either mark the template as finalized or not before saving and exiting the form. So as you can see, the checkbox near mark form is finalized. That will enable you to save the form and mark it as finalized, and it is ready to send to the server. And if you feel like that there is more changes that needs to be done, you can either unmark checkbox on your mark form is finalized, and you can save form. You can press save form and exit. Okay, if you're happy with the form to be sent through the server, you can check the mark form as finalized and press save form and exit. Okay, you'll come back to the main menu where you will be able to see that one of the form, as you can see, the one beside edit save form and the one beside send finalized form. So to edit the form that was not checked as marked form as finalized, you can simply press edit save form. This if you want to make other changes for the data that you have collected in the field, you can simply press edit save form and you can go back to the form itself and edit the data that you collected. If the form was saved as marked form as finalized, like we did as before, so as you can see in the send finalized form, you can see that one form has been sent. So you can select send finalized form. Okay, this step will enable you to send the form to the server. So simply check the box select. The box, right, yeah, that. You have to select the checkbox and press send selected right at the bottom. Right? Any questions? Or is everybody on the same step as me? Or is anyone left behind?
Everyone is okay. Thank you.
Great. Okay, so first step selected. Okay, so using sending form, you're sending the form to the server, and if that cannot close result, that means the form is successfully submitted to the server. So you can press OK. Hopefully everybody is on the same page here. Okay. And if you can go back to the main menu, you will see that you can see in the main menu that you sent for there's a one beside it that tells you that you have sent the form to the server. Questions? We can actually see some of the data being submitted coming through here. So that's an indication that, yes, all of us are in the right track. So, my colleague will share the screen just to show you some of the data that has been coming to the server.
So after the field work and then all the irregularities, all the field workers have sent the finalist form, can log back into your account and it goes straight into data. Okay. So this is the project. So these projects are currently not deployed yet. Like we've been presenting previously, we have two separate templates. We've got the condition assessment, which is the template that you guys did today, and then we have the effect assessment, which is post-disaster template. And this one is actually a combination of both. For this exercise, we separated the two templates into the condition assessment, which the ones that you guys have created. So as soon as you log in, you come into this page and you click on the project that, or the form that you attended or you surveyed on. Then from there you can, as soon as you log in, you can see this number right here, 15 submissions. That shows you that the number of submissions that have been made to the project or to the form. So once you go into the project itself, and then you can go on to data, and it'll show you the disaggregated data that has been collected by the team on the ground. Give me a second. Let me just use this. Yeah. So on the table, you can see all these disaggregated data that has been collected by the team, by all the participants. And this will show you all the different attributes that are currently on the form itself. I don't know if some of you may have just came to an overview of what the other questions that are in the form, but at the back end you'll see this table. You can see all the different attributes from infrastructure, utilities, buildings. Then you have crops and livestock, and then you have the population question and political. And over here you have the metadata. This is one important thing to keep in mind when you when you're designing your whole project for your teams. In the username section or attribute of the form, this is part of the metadata. You can take this box from when you're designing a form builder. Just go to the form builder. Then I click on layout settings. I will enable that from here. What this does is just to assign whichever user that is currently doing the survey on the ground. Or you can change these settings, or you can update the username part of this on the Coca-Cola device. If you go on the setting itself, there's an option there where you can update the username, just so you can have an idea of who is doing the survey. That's some of the queries that usually come out after the survey that will be asking questions like, who did this, who submitted this particular record or submission, and it would be good to try and track that person or whoever did it and just double check with that person as to what, like there was a location or some of the buildings have been incorrectly classified and all that. So it's good to check some of these options here just to clearly identify who that enumerate is on the ground to the survey personnel. It's going to go back to the data. So if I click on this open, and it will show me there we go. This is the image, the building, the coordinate. If I need to have a person, you can review whatever has been assessed and selected by the person who is conducting the survey. And we can make changes from this side as well when you log into the new account. Any questions so far about this? We'll just move on from there. And if I just quickly go on to the map. And there you go. Those are the different locations that surveyors do. You know, all the points from all that submission. But it's really, you go, if I switch this to the PSR base map, and those are the locations that have been edged. So this can be adjusted. I have mentioned before, you can edit this location, change it, and if you think it's incorrect, you can always change it back to the current place. And you can also download this, the whole data in XLS form or CSV or any other format which you can display on QGIS or ArcGIS. And we can touch on that tomorrow. And the cool thing about code reports, it comes with a report as well. Reports on the raw data itself. But if you decide to question that needs to be typed in or filled in, probably need some data cleaning. But in our case, some of the questions are pre-extended, and to respond, the answers are standard, you set to select, then having code run the report. It's exactly what. So, and also we have gallery here, which shows all the images that has been captured from the field by all the devices. And it shows us around 32 rows that you can go through. So, yeah. Any questions? Touch on this again tomorrow. When we will review that.
Thank you, Lucy. Over to you all on that end, and if there's any questions at this stage.
Kaya senior mengangkat question kalau pensi mahu ada ini agora pintar de neke antes formaron una motor se llama autoru ya con más de frutas cada que no que issue no de conexión porque mana kalau que arbeta que cada muy buena de toda ini itu motor untuk kita lihat itu kan dia comporre quel programma richiede componenti da molto che review e utata con le colleghe armi e a dare una per la dana che Legislative processing fuel collected data You won't need the tablet again tomorrow, am I correct?
Sorry, excuse me again?
We won't be needing the tablet tomorrow? Or we still need
Can we keep the 7 that we used for today?
All right.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's all right. We'll still have the 30.
Okay.
It's because we wait for the other 7 that we return all together, eh? But we'll just make sure that the connection with the TCC it's unblocked.
Okay. Right, but we can have a chat about the another session, eh?
Yes,
With
we'll do that.
that's it.
All right.
Okay.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Thank you.